guys, it's Eureka. Welcome back to my channel. So by the title, you already know it is my 22-month update with my Loc babies. So yeah. I want to show you guys how the locks are looking. I washed my hair 2 days ago. So yeah. That's pretty much how the locks are looking. And like I said before, I'm officially at 22 months. So I'm 2 months away from my 2-year mark. And I'm hyped. Like, I'm just ready to see, like, what is the difference? Because we've come a long way. Like, we really have. Because looking at me now, like, it's looking like I'm a veteran. Okay, but I'm still kind of new to this. We're almost true to it, but, we're still kind of like in a newer stage. And also I want to show you guys the combination locks that I did. So this is one of them. You can't really tell that I combined it unless you look towards the bottom. So with this one, if you look towards the bottom here, you can see where I have the 2 different twists. So that's pretty much the only way that you can tell that I combined it, and that's really what I want. I don't want it to look like I did what I did. I want it to just look like it's been here this whole entire time. So a quick little update for the month of April. I did the 2-strand twist Havana thing. So if you've been on TikTok or Instagram lately, then you've seen it's like a lock twist, but it goes into, then you add in the Cuban Havana twist, so that it looks like you have like Marley twist or like Havana twist. I'm gonna link it up here to show you guys. So I had that for the month of April for like 2 weeks. It was my birthday, I did a little something. But yeah, I had that, and then I took it out. I just let my hair breathe because, like I said, like I want the locks to have time to mesh and get used to each other and do their thing over there. I don't want to bother it too much because I don't want it to get to a point where like I have one lock but I have 2 ends because I was just doing too much to it, and like I didn't give it time to do it, just time to just mesh, just do what needs to be done over there. And then also, y'all see me with the growth, like you see it. I washed my hair the other day. I'm gonna insert it for you guys up here, and I was like, girl, it's looking long. Like, okay. I will say though, like the front, there's like a really big gap, and my hair just, the back grows faster than the front, and it's genetics. My mom is like that. I can't do nothing about it except cut it to make it even, and I don't want to cut my locks, so we're just gonna leave that alone and let that be what it is. And that's pretty much it. There's not really that much else with the locks. I really just want to give them time to get used to each other, especially the ones that I combine, because I don't want to like mess that, because that's like really a new locking process. Like I don't want to mess that up. Just give them time to do their thing. I'm still not retwisting often. I'm trying to see if I can go 3 months. I'm really trying to see if I can retwist my hair in July at my 2-year mark, because the longest I usually do is like 2 months, 2.5 months, because my hair gets really tangled. But I'm really trying to push myself so that I can do 3 months, not retwist my hair until my 2-year mark, and I can also do like my little color touch up and things like that. But that's pretty much it. Like in terms of an update with the locks, there's not really that much at this point for me, at least in my journey. It's really not that much that's going on. The locks are locking. Some of the ends, like you can see here, it's not blunt. It's still like that curly type. When I wash my hair, it has like the little curly tips. That's okay. That's fine. I'm just gonna, I just let it do what it, just let it do its thing. I don't want to bother it. Just let the hair do what it wants to do. Just flow. Just flow. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, it's been growing. It's been doing its thing. I don't want to bother it too much. Just let it be. And like I always say in every update video, you just need patience. Like at any point that you are in your journey, you just need patience. Like, it'll be hard. It really is. I've been there. We all been there. If you're at 3 months, 6 months, 8 months, wherever you are, if it's not looking how you envision for it to look, you know, like, don't be so quick to comb it out or like cut it off. Like, I've seen a lot of people, you know, comb out their locks lately or like cut it off. And I get it. Don't get me wrong. But if you're cutting it off because you feel like it's not giving what it needs to be given, wait a little bit. Just wait a little bit. You know, put a wig on or whatever. You know, like, just wait. Have that little time. And then, you know, if it's still not giving, all right, cool. But like, if you want it to look a certain way, just be patient with yourself and your hair. And I promise you it's going to pay off, because I'm almost at 2 years. Okay. And right now it's giving. Like, you can't tell me, you know. So just be patient and just wait, and it's gonna get there. So that's pretty much it for me in this update. There's really not that much going on, like I mentioned before. You know, just my little combination, and just not trying to manipulate my hair too much, just to let it do what it wants to do. And I've also been doing the leave-in more. The oil, not so much, but the leave-in, definitely yes. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, please let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.